Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Students, as you know, we have read the chapter Magic in the Park. Some of the part of its exercise also you would have done, and we are going to finish it up. So, a part is true and false. Lisa loves flowers. So, this is true. She loves flowers. Lisa goes to the park with a bag. So whenever she goes to a park, she has a bag in her hand so that she can pluck the flowers and keep them in her bag. So in the same way, you have to do rest of the sentences. Let's move to the next page. B is read the sentences and answer the questions. So first is, why are you crying, little girl? So you have read this story, so you know who asked this question. Who asked this question? Fairy asked from Lisa. Who was crying? Lisa was crying. Okay. Number two, I plucked them because I like them. Who plucked them? Lisa plucked them. What did she pluck? She plucks flower. Okay. Now number C. Read the words on the word wall. Write the names of these pictures from the word wall. Students, I have not written the names. You have to write the names yourself. Though I have circled these names. So first picture is of a fairy. I have circled it. Second is a sack. Sack means a big bag. Number 3 is truck. Number 4 is a duck. Let's move ahead. D. Fill in the missing letters to name things you find in a park. So you have a help box over here. You can firstly read the box words and then you can fill the words in the blank. So upside there is the word leaves. Then I have filled up rest of the words for you, so you have to do it from this. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Now see one here no grammar that I have cut over there. Now number E you have to do. Tick the naming words you see in the picture. So there is a picture you can see. So in this picture what you observe? What is over there? So there is a bird, squirrel, a girl, and you can say her mother or aunt. Okay, and there are flowers and she has a can. That can has water. So downside there are options. Flowers, yes there are flowers, so we have to tick it. Watering can, that is also there in the hand of the lady, so you have to tick it. Okay, rest of the words also I have ticked which are there in the picture. Now here question F G H I that you have to cut. Now there is J. Question J. Look at the picture. Tick the sentences that are true. Write the true sentences in your notebooks. Okay. So here I have ticked the right sentences. You have to write them in your notebook. Okay. So firstly you have to observe the picture. Then you have to tick. Like in the picture you can see there is a sun, so this is a sunny day. It is not a rainy day, it is a sunny day, so you have to tick this. Number 2, the children are at home. So are they at home? No, they are in a park. Okay, so you have to tick it. In the same manner you have to do rest of the exercise. Option K you have to cut. Now In this chapter only this much you had to do. As you know, in the chapter 3, Appu and the carrot, they also some of the part of back exercise was left. So here option E we are going to start with. Option E is read the words on the wall. So here are seed, feed, need, page, cage, stage, pull, full, bull. So these are rhyming words, and with the help of these words we have to circle the words in the sentences given downside. So number one is Mary likes to feed cows. So in the box you can see that there is a word feed in the first line, so you have to circle feed. Number two, Arif will sing on the stage. I have ticked over there in the box, help box also, so that you can understand it easily. Okay, so there is the word stage. So in the same way you have to do next one also. Now see number F. Grandpa wants to make vegetable salad. Circle the things he will put in the salad. So there are so many vegetables over there in the picture, so fill in the missing letters to name the vegetables. So here I have already filled it up. Number one is pumpkin, then carrot, then capsicum is there. Now let's move ahead. Now there is G part. So here G part, fill in the blanks with or is or are. So number one is Appu and Pom Pom. So there are two people, so you will write down are in the room. Number two is the fruits. So fruits are more than one, so here will come are in the bowl. A jug is on the table. In the same way you have to do rest of these. Now see number H. Replace is with was and are with were and rewrite these sentences. Now number one is Gina is playing. So is has to be replaced with was. So here is Gina was playing. Mummy and Papa are laughing. So Mummy and Papa were laughing. Okay. Same way you have to do rest of the exercise. Now see, I is cut over here. Now J you have to do. Listen to your teacher read out a poem and circle the correct answer. So here we don't have listening matter, but here with the help of this picture we can judge what we have to do. Okay, now number one is what are greens. Here you can see peas are also green and spinach is also green, so you will tick both of these words. Okay, now what are red. So tomatoes are also red and apples are also red. Here I by chance forgot to take it. So apples are also red and tomatoes are also red. You have to tick tomatoes also. Okay, what is purple. So onion is also purple and brinjal is also purple. What is orange. Orange itself is of orange color, and carrot is found in two colors. One is red and another is orange. Okay, so carrot is also orange. What is white. So as you know, reddish and milk both are white. Now K is cut over there. Now rest is L. Number L is there. Look at the picture and answer the questions in your notebook. So these questions you have to do yourself. How many girls are there in the picture? You can count them. What does Zoya have? So here you can see who is Zoya. Name is written in the picture. So she has, what does she have? She has a doll in her hand. What is Ria doing? So another girl is Ria. What is she doing? So you have to write according to your assumption. Now let's move ahead. Now M is also cut over there. Now next is N part. Appu pulled the carrot out with the help of his friends. So, as in the picture, also you have read that Appu pulled the carrots with the help of his friends. Take the pictures that show things you do with your family and friends. Now, here are some pictures which you have to take out of all these works, what you can do with your family or friends. Okay, so you have to take them yourself, that is your homework. So now let's move to O, that is plants that are kept inside the house are called indoor plants. And what should we do to look after them? Match the column. Okay, now you have options like number one, we should not, what we should not do, we should not pluck the leaves. Okay, we should not pluck the leaves. In the same way, rest of the work you have to do yourself. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.